for the house.
You always come out of thing. That's the top, the roof to the house. And that
house. It's a toilet.
is a toilet. And y'all tore the whole thing apart. Is that how that's supposed to go?
Yeah.
Or did y'all break it? And where is all the other pieces to the van? The camper van. With a dance floor, a toilet.
You did this.
Oh, the crocodile. Oh, it grabbed my phone holder. Oh, wow.
Look at this.
What else?
Oh.
The horn?
Yeah. With the seat light on.
Wow. That's so cool. And the crocodile still trying to grab on. Ah, give me my phone back.
No.
Yes.
No.
Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Oh, now you're going to grab the whole van? No. 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 The croc is trying to take my phone. Oh, no. I love my phone. No.
No.
What else does this van do?
No.
Oh, we got a radio. We got a, what's that thing called?
A radio.
That's an old fashioned, that's a disco ball. Dun, 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 dun. I'm about to get on here and start dancing in a second. Big Bird? You want to dance, Big Bird?
Yeah.
Okay, put Big Bird on there so he can dance. Come on, put him on there.
You can't fit right there.
It's okay. Whee! I ain't dance. I need a dance partner. Oh!
Redo it.
Okay, go ahead, do it. Do the robot.
Look.
Oh, the crocodile's coming to crash the party.
No.
Oh no. Everybody run. Abby, where's Abby at? Abby, we gotta go. It's the crocodile. Let's get out of here. Wait, let me grab my toilet. Look at the cat. Kitty, this ain't no food for you. She think everything's some food for her. Oh gosh, that was a little harsh, child. The crocodile. Oh, we destroyed the crocodile.
Oh, no.
Ah! Let's go. Let's go to safety. Come on, let's beat up this crocodile. We can handle him. Let's go. Frosty. Frosty the snowman. Yay! Frosty destroyed the crocodile. He's back. Ah! Where's Big Bird? Big Bird, where are you? Where are you? Come on, let's go, Big Bird. Let's go.
Oscar here.
Yay! It's Oscar. Come on, Major. Come on. Major ran off. Major, you don't want to come play with us? Come on, Major. Major. I gotta go see what's wrong with Major. Major, come here. Y'all don't even care that y'all brother said.
Mommy.
Major.
I'm trying to Major.
Come on, Major.
Mommy.